everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Amarokonpo here once again. Happy New Year to my subscribers and my new viewers, new subscribers. Thank you so much for 2024. It's a new year, and in this new year, this very video, I'm going to be showing you the unboxing of this HD dual camera solar PTZ camera. So we had gotten to install in the house, on the inside and on the outside, and what you're currently seeing now is the manual. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing first for the camera. After doing the unboxing, I'm going to show you how it was installed. We installed one on the inside of the house and then one on the outside. So this is purely a solar powered camera. It's not connected to electricity in the house. It is purely powered by a solar panel. So I'm going to be showing you today how they were installed in the house. So if you're new to the channel, thank you so much for clicking this very video and watching. So I expect you to sit down and enjoy this video. Grab your popcorn, your drink, and enjoy this video. Then while at it, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and smash the like button if you find this video useful. I'd also love to read your comments, your questions in the comment section. So let's get right into the installation of this camera. So on this very part of the camera, you see that this slot that is opened is actually for the memory card and then a SIM card. So one slot is for the memory card, where you can see that green and white card is a memory card, and then the other slot is a SIM card. So the SIM card that comes with it, it's maybe a China card or something, China SIM card, so it doesn't work here in Nigeria. So you just need to get a local SIM. So we got an Airtel SIM. As at this time, we've not gotten a new SIM. We just wanted to install it first, then go out, get the SIM and come and fix it in. So with the SIM card, you can then recharge airtime, install the app on your phone, and then connect the camera to the app. So this is the person that came to install it for us, and he actually came through the store where we got it from. So they are the ones that sent him to help us install it at home. So here he is fixing the stand or the base of the solar panel. That's the solar panel there, and you can see the tools that came with the camera spread out on the table. And what he was doing here was that he drilled 2 holes there. He had measured the distance on the base of the camera and then drilled these 2 holes on the wall. So he's putting like that's those white plastic nail holders or something. I don't know their names, but it's something that helps you drill nail into the wall neatly. So now he's drilling or screwing a nail through the base of the camera against the wall. So this second one didn't work, so he had to take it out. It had probably spoiled, so he replaced it with another one, and then he's going to screw it into the wall. So if you're enjoying the video right now and you've learned one or two things, make sure you subscribe to this channel, smash the like button, and I'd love to see your comments in the comment section. So do me that favor and smash that button. So he's kind of done fixing it on the wall and just doing some checks to make sure that it is firm against the wall. Now the other wire that he just attached to the wire of the camera is the wire of the solar panel that had been fixed outside already at the back, at the balcony at the back, more like the kitchen balcony. That's where we have put the solar panel. So that's the wire there, the plug. He connected both of them together. Now this is the second solar panel for the one we are going to fix outside. We are going to be fixing the camera outside alongside this solar panel. So he's fixing the base. So I'm showing you guys how we fixed the base of the solar panel. Now it is designed in a way that you can drill it against the wall, right? But from what you're going to see when he's fixing it outside, you see that he ended up using things like metal, like wires to attach it against the veranda, the corridor railing. You understand? So instead of drilling it to the wall, we just used those wires to attach it against the wall. So even though we didn't drill it against the railing, rather, so even though we didn't drill it against the wall, this base was still important for us because the wire was twisted against this base to the balcony railing. So I went back to this camera that he had fixed on the wall. He said the cover, he was yet to fix the cover, a round black cover at the very top there. So that's what he was screwing to the top. He had placed the cover there and was screwing it up. At this point, it looks like a robot to me. What do you guys think? How does it look? So here he's outside. He's fixing the solar panel. He had already fixed the other one against the railing, because you've seen the one he fixed to the wall. So I felt, okay, nothing new there. So for the solar panel, he was using like metal. You can see, I don't know what I'll call it, like 10 metal rods, right? You can call them wire, I don't know. Yeah, so I'm using a plier to twist them at the back. He's attaching it to the railing and using a plier to twist it at the back, and then twisting them tightly, and then cutting it. So it was actually, I was asking him, okay, these two areas, because one was at the front, then the other solar panel, the one attached to the camera inside, was facing the back. So I was like, okay, these two areas of the house, they do not get complete daylight all through the day. One gets sunshine in the morning, the other gets in the evening. So it was like saying that these solar panels were like the type that just gets power or energy from daylight. So once it's daylight, it's fine, it's okay. So I said that's cool. So here he's attaching the wire from the solar panel. He's attaching it to the camera there. So that's what he's going to do now. So guys, if you are watching this video to this point and you're yet to subscribe to the channel, that is a crime. So make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're yet to do that. And if you find this video useful, make sure you share it somewhere, send it, share it for others to also see and learn from it. So guys, what do you guys think about this camera? Do you think it's cool? Does it look good? So from what I read about it, I discovered that it was mostly good for outdoor. That it's perfect for what we are doing here, right? Because it's outside, unlike this one that's inside here. So what do you think? I'd like to know your thoughts in the comment section. So remember I told you that we had just installed without putting SIM cards. We had only gotten memory card. So here he is, he's trying to fix the SIM card. So once he fixed the card, he got it formatted. So that was why it was rotating. The memory in the camera was rotating, and then when it's blinking, when the light is blinking blue, it means there's enough data for it to work. So he says when it turns red, when you see the red light blinking, it means you're low on data, and that moreover the app would notify you to go recharge your data. So remember I said there was an app, right, that you would install on your phone. That's the U-Box app. So this is also formatting, resetting, and trying to understand it. And also remember I said it's a dual camera phone, right? So for each camera, it would be, you would have two views that you can rotate, adjust. You can decide to rotate the camera, adjust it to show you the different sides. Then what it does when there's no light, once it detects a movement, for instance, we put up the lights here in the night. So once it detects a movement, the light will just come on automatically. So this is the end of the video, guys. Make sure you like this video, smash the subscribe button if you're yet to do that, and share to others. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.